Sierra Lupe from the Practical Herbalist website and Real Herbalism Radio podcast with another Spur of the Moment tip. Today with us we have Patty Leahy, who is going to give us some tips on respectfully harvesting stinging nettle. What have you got going there, Patty?
Hi, I am over at a wonderful little farm in Eugene, Oregon, and we have the perfect state of stinging nettles right now for food consumption and medicine making. And so I'm at this patch right here, and these are just the ideal size to start looking for harvesting. And make sure that you identify them properly before picking to consume any kind of food or medicine. These do sting, so you want to have protective gloves on. And pants and shoes. You don't want to be rolling in it unless you really want to be in a lot of uncomfortable pain. And what I look for at this stage, this is like for me the first pick of the season, and they can be picked up until they start forming flowers, and then you don't want to be consuming them internally because they're hard to digest after you start seeing flowers on them. But I just want to get some tips off of here, and this is the size that I prefer for my first pick. Just having 3, maybe 4 sets of leaves on there, and I consider those the most delicious ones for eating. And they're really good for putting in soups, making teas out of, drying and powdering and capsuling if you're not wanting to have that sensation in your mouth at all. Although they don't sting after you cook them or dry them.
Mm-hmm. Or freeze them, I noticed.
Or freeze them, yes, yeah. After they've been processed in any way, the stinging compounds kind of die back a bit.
Mm-hmm.
And another favorite thing of mine is to treat them like you would any cooked spinach. I'm going to take these home, throw them in a big pot, and steam them to get their sting out, and then I can freeze some, or any kind of cooked spinach recipe. They're really ideal for that. My favorite is spinach pie with cheese and a crust and just really absolute goodness.
That sounds delicious. Well,
so I'm going to get back to harvesting now,
okay.
And I hope you go out and find some good ones for yourself.
Thank you very much, Patty. This is Sierra Lupe with Patty Leahy of Real Herbalism Radio and the Practical Herbalist Press. And if you check out over here, there's Jackie, and she's getting a beehive ready in the background, and you can check out that video. Please subscribe to our videos and listen to Real Herbalism Radio podcast.